In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a hover-activated drop-down menu component in Figma. We'll start by laying down a clean menu item and then wire it up so it reveals a drop-down overlay on hover. Follow along in your own file and pause whenever you need to. Begin by selecting the Shape tool and choosing a rectangle. Click and drag to place it on the canvas. On the right side of the interface, in the Design panel, set its exact size to 240 by 36. Using the panel helps you stay precise and keep all menu items consistent. Next, select the text tool, type menu 1, and drag that text onto the rectangle so it sits neatly inside. Right-click the selection and choose Add Auto Layout. This wraps the text and background together so spacing and alignment stay consistent as you edit. In the Auto Layout options, make sure the content is left aligned. Left alignment is typical for menus and makes adding more items straightforward. Now convert this into a component. Making it a component lets you reuse it and define interactions once. Change the color of the second menu to black to represent a distinct state, such as a hover or selected look. Give the component a clear name, like menu, so you can find it quickly later. Switch to the prototype tab. Create a connection from the first menu state to the other, and set the interaction to while hovering. This tells Figma to switch to that alternate styling when the pointer moves over the item, giving you immediate visual feedback. Open the Assets panel and go to Local Assets. Find your menu component and choose Insert Instance to place it on the canvas. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate it as many times as you want and rename each instance if you like. This will become the drop-down list. Select all these instances together and turn them into a frame. Framing them keeps the list organized and makes it easier to position as an overlay. Click on your menu heading, then go back to the Prototype tab. Draw a connection from the heading to the frame you just created. Change the action to Open Overlay. Set the overlay position to manual so you can place it exactly beneath the heading. Adjust the frame until it aligns and looks clean. Enable Close when clicking outside so the overlay dismisses naturally. Finally, click Preview to test everything. Hover over the menu to see the state change, then hover or click the heading to open the overlay. If spacing or alignment needs refinement, return to the Design panel and tweak until it feels just right.